Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. These Magnificas are really workhorses. They're just one of the most solid machines that DeLonghi has ever made, and because they just keep working for years. So let's go ahead and test this machine. After we replaced a leaking steam valve and also low pressure. So here was the valve. And here's also the solenoid valve, which was causing low pressure because it wasn't opening properly. And we replaced that with a new one, new style. So let's go ahead and test the machine. First we'll make a shot of coffee, espresso. Have a shot of espresso, and then we'll go ahead and steam.
Be nicer.
So thanks for attending with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.